Hi dear 5th standard children, welcome to your English class. Today, let us learn the story about a child who saved the forest. Okay, so all of you open your textbook page number 26 and the lesson name is The Child Who Saved the Forest. Okay, all of you look at your textbook, I will read. Prem lived with his parents in a small village near Bandipur forest. He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. Yes, he became friendly with the animals and birds in the forest. One day, he came home from school looking sad. His mother asked, "What is the matter, Prem?" He replied, Ma, I have heard Ma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down. Where will the animals and birds go if the trees are cut? All of you listen here. Did you understand anything? Prem, the child name is Prem. He lived with his parents in a small village near which forest? Bandipur forest. Understand, the child name is Prem. What was the good habit of Prem? He had the good habit of taking an evening walk in the forest. Okay, daily he was walking at the evening in the forest. After some days, what happened? He became very close with the animals and birds which are in the forest. Understand? One day, he came home from school, or he returned back to home from the school, and he was looking so sad. So his mother asked him, "Why, Prem, why are you looking so sad?" So Prem replied, "Amma, I have heard that many trees in the forest will be cut down." Means what he had heard? He heard that many trees in the forest will cut down. If they cut down the trees in the forest, where will the animals and birds go to live? His thought is correct, right? If the people cut the trees, where does the animal and birds go? Correct, right? Have you understand these paragraphs? Okay. Next one, page number 27. His mother knew that Prem loved trees, birds, animals and flowers. So she said, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nazreen? Find out what has happened exactly." Now, what her mother replied? Her mother replied that, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nazreen?" Nazreen is a friend of Prem. Okay. Prem's mother knew that he loved trees, birds, animals and flowers so much. So she said that, "Why don't you go to the forest with your friend Nazreen and find out what is the matter exactly is going on?" She said. So what Prem did now? Fourth paragraph. Prem took his friend Nazreen with him to the forest. So both Prem and Nazreen, both now going to the forest. They walked to their most favorite place in the forest. As they sat on the rock and looked around, Hira, who is Hira? The deer, came sprinting towards towards them. What Hira did? Who is Hira? Hira is a name of the deer. That deer came sprinting. Underline the word sprinting. Sprinting means running very fast towards them. ಆ ಜಿಂಕೆ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಪ್ರೇಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಜ್ರೀನ್ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಓಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Fifth paragraph. Nazreen asked Prem. Nazreen asked Prem. What she has asked? What is the matter? Why is the deer looking sad? Nazreen asked to the Prem that, what is the matter, Prem? Why this deer or Hira looking so sad? Prem replied that, so what was the matter? Just think, what is the matter? The trees in that forest would be cut down soon, isn't it? And Hira must have heard about this. Maybe Hira also known about this. So she may be sad. Both thought for a while about where these animals would go. Now Nazreen also thinking that where these animals and birds will go if they cut down the tree. Understand till now? Okay. Next paragraph, page number 28. Then Prem looked at Nazreen and asked. Now Prem is asking the question to the Nazreen. Who is Nazreen? Nazreen is the friend of Prem. How can we stop the cutting down of trees? Nazreen, do you know how can we stop the cutting down of trees? Prem is asking. So Nazreen replied, now we will approach the authorities concerned to stop the cutting down of trees. Means we have to give the complaint to the authorities or officers who have concern to stop the cutting down of trees. Who told this? Nazreen told this. Both of them were very happy and returned to Prem's house. Now they have returned to the Prem's house. Prem told his mother about their plan. What was the plan now? To approach the authorities concerned to stop the cutting down of trees. Who said this? Nazreen said this. Prem asked his mother. What was he asking? To whom we have to give the complaint. Who asked this? Prem asked to his mother. They know they have to give complaint to the officers. But which officers they have to give to the complaint? They have to give to the president of Grama Sabha. Mother replied, of course, to the president of Grama Sabha. Okay. So now 8th paragraph. Prem wrote a letter to the president of Grama Sabha. Who wrote a letter? Prem wrote a letter. Which letter? Complaint letter. To whom? President of Grama Sabha. What was the complaint about? The complaint was about to stop the cutting down of trees in the forest. And they also took signatures of the people in the local community and the residing in nearby villages. Okay. Who are all signed to their complaint? Prem's parents and their friends and the people in the local area, Akkapakada Janagalu and those residing in the nearby villages. They are all signed to that complaint letter. Prem sent the letter to the President Grama Sabha. Who sent the letter to the President of Grama Sabha? Prem sent that complaint letter to the President of Grama Sabha and very soon he got a reply. By whom? President of Grama Sabha. Then what was the reply? Let us study page number 29. Page number 29, 9th paragraph. What was President of Grama Sabha's reply? Dear Prem, we are happy about the love you have shown towards nature. What he was telling? We are happy that how much you have concern about the nature. Your request for not cutting down trees in the forest has been accepted. What you have requested about this matter has been accepted. Accepted means ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. Underline the word accepted. We have decided, underline the word decided, not to cut down the trees in the forest. Now the plants, animals and birds will be safe. Understand this paragraph.